You've never seen a font like this. In this video, we will show you how to get creative with your fonts by utilizing Kittl's website. That's right, we made this without Photoshop, and soon you will know how to. And if you see the value in Kittl like we do, then after the video, use our promo code TRANSFERYT to get 25% off your first month or year on any Pro or Expert plan. For new users only though. Stick around for the whole video because we don't just teach you how to make graphics, we get this DTF printable by using a print ready flow website, then put it through our game sheet builder to get it printed for DTF. After that, we are pressing it on some Smart Blanks T to really showcase the art. Now let's get started. All right guys, so we're on Kittl. We're gonna go to new project, and the first thing we're gonna do when we're on the project settings are just change the units to inches. We'll change the width and the height to 20 inches, and we're gonna change the DPI to 300. After that, we do have a pretty big artboard. That's not gonna matter because when we actually put it into our gang sheet builder, we could size it how we like it. But it's good to size it huge because it retains the quality and kind of refrains from us upscaling it. So let's go into the first thing. We're going to put in realistic, colorful eagle. And let's see what we get. We want to make it as simple as possible. Something where we could easily type in one little prompt. And again, if you're detailed as possible too, it can get you exactly what you want, but we're just gonna see what we can do and mess around with. I'm not liking that one. Let's see if we have some at the bottom. I like this one. It gives more of a realistic flair to it. Coming up from the embers of the fire. I like that. Then we're gonna duplicate this. And then on the duplicate, we're gonna remove the background. So we could just have the image itself. You won't know this until actually taking off the background, which we will do after we get this set up. So we're gonna go to titles. Honestly, I think it would work better with a different font. So let's look at the different fonts we have right now. I like this one, the fine lines. Let's do fly and take this one off. Have it where the wings are coming out a little bit. I like it. Now what we're gonna do is put a solid background behind the lettering. You're probably wondering what I'm doing, but just trust the process, okay? This is mostly what graphic design is. Trust in process. We're gonna go backward. Now we got up in the front for fly. With fly, we're also gonna put a border on it. On the border, we're gonna do white, make it a little bit heavier, and then export. On the export itself, we're not gonna really remove any background or optimize the quality. We're just gonna keep it as is and then upload it. And once it's uploaded, you're gonna want to put it as close to the edge as possible. And then you're gonna do vectorizing, and you're gonna vectorize 3 colors. And then with the black, what you're just gonna do is make it transparent. Can't really see that. Now you can. All right, we're gonna export here again. After that, we're gonna go to upload, find our fly, upload it up. We don't need this one anymore. Put it to the edge. Now you could delete the background. All right. Now to make it even better, we'll delete that background. Now we could just mess around with this. We could easily just crop it where we're not seeing the majority. Easy. Looks good. All right. So we're gonna export it. We're gonna remove the background, save it, and we're gonna make this DTF printable. So we're gonna go to our print ready flow. Open it. Let's focus on, should we take out the white? Okay. Yeah, very good on the white. Let's download it, and we are going to do a new format of paying, guys. Just an easier way. It's our DTF transfer by size. All we're gonna do is upload the image We have a pretty big size. We can definitely size this down. For the width, I would say 11 inches. It doesn't need to be that big. And yeah, as you can see, one image, $2.72. Not that bad. Let's add to cart and let's get this set up. All right, guys, I'll see you when we get them. Having fun watching? We got plenty more where that came from. Check out our channel for more tutorials, tips, and creative ideas. When you're ready to bring your designs to life, visit transfersuperstar.com for high quality DTF prints that stand out. We got the transfer. Let's take a closer look. Okay, we got our design. Honestly, it looks great. Just close up, if you can see, the white has been taken out. That is just the background behind it. So obviously this is gonna come out really well on a white shirt. But yeah, I'm very interested on seeing how this is gonna turn out. I'm very confident it will be on my assumption, but yeah, let's get started. We're using these clean white smart blanks in style 402, and if you guys are interested, we'll drop a link in the description so you can check them out yourself. And for the heat press, we're sticking with the Heatmaster Prisma, the fan favorite from all our previous videos. So let's get it heated up and start pressing. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna just set up our laser. So we got this design. We are going to go to the edge of each to get that perfect midpoint. I'm just gonna put a little bit over on the left-hand side. I think we got it good. Now, let's press. And then we're gonna press it. It's a 7-second press for 300 degrees. Most of our graphics, it's a hot and cold peel, so you can just peel automatically, but you can also wait if you have like finer details. But no, this came out really good. We wanted it to be more fine of a finish, so we're doing our matte finishing sheet. Another 7-second press. Looks good. Let's take a closer look. All right, it looks awesome. I don't know if you guys see, but the clouds came out really nicely in the background, and it did fill in that stroke on towards the letters. It came out really good, guys. Yeah, no, this came out nice, and I don't know if you could hear that, but it definitely has a finer finish, and I could scrunch it up. You don't see any indentations. And if we probably threw this in the wash, it would hold. So I think we did good, guys. We definitely made a good shirt. And boom, that's a wrap. We took some basic text, gave it a glow up in Kittl, printed it out, and pressed it on a fresh smart blank tee. I hope you guys had as much fun watching as I did making this video. If you haven't hopped on Kittl yet, now here's your chance. Use code TRANSFERYT to grab your 25% off your first month or year on any paid plans, pro or expert for new users only. And if you're in the market for a reliable DTF supplier or thinking about switching things up, we would love to be your go-to. And this video brought you any type of value, smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe so you don't miss on the next one. See you guys soon.